Main reasons why I love to travel is meeting the people, especially the indigenous people unique to any society. Panama is not any different as it contains a number of indigenous tribes, and I had a chance to meet a member of the Guna tribe of Panama. They can be found in Panama as well as Colombia and number about 50,000. The Gunas are famous for their bright molars, a colorful textile art form made with the techniques of applique and reverse applique, and these molar panels are used to make the blouses of the Gunas women's national dress. They also have a cloth which they believe chases away evil spirits, and that caught my attention, which is also the molar as well. So let's get right into it. And don't forget to subscribe.
Bienvenido a Panama, okay. Bienvenido a Panama.
The Guna women were kind enough to spend some minutes with me while answering some of my questions. The question is, can she tell me more about her tribe?
Ok, ¿se puede solo decir algo sobre la gente de Guna en general? Como, ¿dónde vive?
Bueno, nosotros vivimos, cada uno es una comarca.
They live in
Cada uno
one
tiene sus islas.
part of the country that are like some islands.
Y sí, tenemos las islas y los turistas también pueden llegar allá y hay cabañas.
A lot of tourists go there like to see them.
Okay, and how far is it from here?
¿Cuál es distancia de?
45 minutos.
45 minutos. 45 minutes.
Oh, okay, that's amazing. So what are these things on our hands for?
¿Qué es esto? Ajá,
Exacto.
sí.
Esos son tradicionales, como le digo, hay diferentes, esos son
They're
geométricos.
traditional like molas and with the different like designs.
Okay.
Son las geométricas también.
Geometrical.
Entonces, y ese ya son los modernos.
That one on the left, they're a little bit more like a modern
Okay.
because of more colors.
Okay, okay, okay.
Y usted vende para turistas.
Ajá. Sí.
They're selling for tourists.
All right, okay. So what about the item that protects them from the evil spirit?
Y la gente de Guna usa para proteger.
Ajá, para proteger ahí.
Okay.
Guna, the women make malas, which are embroidered pieces of clothing set to ward off evil spirit. The malas are ancient heritage from the stars. Both the patterns of the malas and their colors have special powers, I was told. The malas representing birds, animals, and fish, if placed on a pillow, will make someone dream of the jungle and the sea. Into the Guna creation myth, 4 sisters are descended from the stars and gave birth to the Guna tribe. It's these 4 original sisters that brought the knowledge of ancient medicinal plants to the island. Guna women also adorn themselves with winnies, which are magical arms and leg bracelets made from tiny glass beads. Winnies, much like the malas, represent abstract medicinal plants and patterns, which can also help keep the wearer safe. Colors also matter a lot. Yellow and orange are the strongest colors of them. They can protect you.
Some of them, like this modern one with the flags, they needed like 1 or 2 months.
Beautiful.
No, le gusta.
I like the outfits. It's very.
Su ropa está tradicional.
Sí, tradición.
Sí, a él le gusta.
Tradición.
Sí.
Is it possible to get the full?
Tradición, este sí está tradición todo.
This is also like traditional.
Tradition.
This is what she has,
Tengo
like
de
this.
la
And that is all. That
tradición.
is one piece.
Nice. Can I see the full outfit?